What's up, traders? I hope you're all enjoying your weekend. Just wanted to give you a very quick update on gold, crude oil, and palladium. So let's check gold first. So right here, what a trade we got. A nice move from 1835 till 1850. That's what I said in my previous video. Let's go back and check what I've said. I'll be back. Just want to connect the dots with the previous video. Won't be long. But now if you see, we got this engulfer candle and it happened above 50 EMA. Based on that, I still expect a bounce again, $5 to $10 bounce, but for the long term I expect to see a gold to hit at least 1850. Okay, great. So the reason I show the previous videos because I want you guys to learn the importance of the entry conditions. So if once we have an entry conditions like this, I do not hesitate to enter. I just do not enter anywhere in the market. The market is in between or nowhere where I have no reason to enter. I do not enter, and that is the benefit of taking entries once we have a good entry reason. And as you can see the results, we have a very good trade here. So what to expect next from gold? So gold is now at the very major level of resistance. This level has been respected in the past, and if you want to go back and check market fall from here recently, a very good level as a support here, as a resistance here, and if you look back left, this level has acted as a good level. So right now we are in the level of selling zone, and if you go back and check, like I said, I look for a double top double bottoms on 1 hour time frame. Even though we are getting this nice engulfer entry right here, I will still not go for it because it can still work, but I always look for engulfer entries on 4 hour time frames. I normally avoid taking on 1 hour time frame. It's not because it's not valid, it is absolutely valid. It is because I have not tested it, so that's why I do not take it. If I want to test the particular instrument first before I go for the trades on that particular instrument. So and in this case I've not tested gold on 1 hour time frame. So with that being said, what I'm looking for next, I'm looking for another move down, and I want double top from gold. Once we have a double top move, I'm expecting a fall from gold from this level. Obviously there the gold moved a break and closed this pink zone, which is 1866, and goes down to 1855. If we have a break of this zone, obviously we are not taking any sort of sell trade, but at this moment I will look for, like I said, double top trades from this zone. Let's check crude oil. So crude oil, I was expecting a double top move from crude oil, which didn't happen, but at the market breaks above this level of support, resistance, which will now act as a level of support. But I'm gonna put my Fibonacci here because I have a reason to put that, and all conditions are met to place my Fibonacci tool. If you check that, and if you see 1.618 retracement is a very strong level of support and resistance once placed correctly. And if I align that with the past data on a weekly time frame, so this is our 161 retracement, and if you go back on a weekly time frame, you can see we have a bounce from here with this pin bar right here. We had this move down from here on weekly time frame, which is a very big move on a smaller time frame. So we have a bounce from here. Let's go back on our 4 hour time frame. Looking at that, I would wait for 50% retracement, which is 92.65, same like we did on gold, and I will look for an entry reason from here, and I will look for sell trades. I'll look for buy trades from this zone. And the next target I'm looking at 96, and obviously it won't shoot up. We expect pullback before the market can go up. I can be wrong, guys. I can be wrong so many times, like I said, and this is how I do my technical analysis, and this has proven to be 90%, 80 to 90% profitable for me and accurate for me the way I trade. I will only look for sell entries once we have a break of this pink zone, which is 91.64, goes up to 93.09. If you have a break of this pink zone, then I'm likely to see market to move downwards. Let's check Palladium. What do we have here? We have a nice and valid double bottom. Let's check my previous video, won't be long. We can now get a move down towards this zone with another engulfer entry, and we can expect a bounce up from this zone. Okay, perfect. So now, as you can see here, we have a nice double bottom move with an engulfer candle, which is a very big candle. I normally look for, once we have this sort of big entry candle, I now normally wait for a pullback to 50%, which is 2274. Once we have a hit of this zone, I'm expecting a bounce from this zone, as this is a very major level of support. So that's all for now, guys. If you want to learn how to mark these zones, you can always join one of our partner brokers. Links are in the description. Once you join them, I'll send you weekly forex report with this zone, and I will also send you trade idea with the entry condition, and I will teach you how to take entries. And you can always DM me on Instagram to check if you're taking valid entries or not. So if you want to learn more about trading, always join my partner brokers. Is not like a VAB group where signal providers send lots of tons of signals. It's not like that, guys. It's more of educational sort of group. So that's it for commodity market. Any questions, buzz me on Instagram. I'll get back to you ASAP. I hope you trade green. Have a nice weekend. Take care.